Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 5. This is Section 2.10, Problem 5. It says use the symbols less than or greater than to indicate which fraction is larger and which fraction is smaller. So the fractions that we want to compare are 2/5 and 3/8. So the 3 and the 8 have bigger numbers, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's the larger fraction. It might be, it might not be. To determine it, really, you have to make common denominators. So if you have denominators of 5 and 8, the common denominator to use is 40, because both denominators will divide into 40 evenly. So for the 2/5, if you look at the denominators, 5 times some value turned it into a 40. That value must be 8. 5 times 8 is 40. So the numerator would get multiplied times the same value. The numerator of 2 times 8 would make 16. And now for the 3/8, if I look at what the denominator was, it was 8. It got multiplied times something to create a 40. It must have been times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. So the numerator of 3 would be multiplied times the same amount of 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So it's pretty close, but 16 over 40 is certainly larger than 15 over 40. The 16 over 40 came from the 2/5, so you place the inequality symbol with the open end towards the 2/5.